Welcome to the channel. This is Chris with Offroad Nation 606. So we got the Jeep in the garage, and now we can begin removing the engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the front bumper off, and I'm gonna get the grill and everything off. But before we do that, let's start it one last time. Alright, so I'm going to start taking everything off, and I think I'm going to do a time lapse just like I did with the Hemi. Alright, so we got the engine pulled out, and now we need to look and see what all we need to do to the engine bay here to be able to put the Hemi in. So I believe that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.